gonna show you how to make a juice that lower your blood pressure. But first I need oranges. And where I find oranges? At the orange tree. What you need are oranges, fennel, and turmeric. This is a supplement that I use to help lower the blood pressure. It's a great supplement. It's 100% organic. It's pure turmeric. So what you do now, you take it out of the juicer. Here's the turmeric, the supplement. You grab 2 capsules. You open them. I normally open them, but you can also take it normal, the way you take any pill. There's no need to open if you don't want to. To make sure everything gets in there. It's really good for your body. And here now we're gonna pour. You can see it gave me a little bit more than I was supposed to have. Cheers.